Welcome to this tutorial on why use EveryDollar budget categories. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps individuals and families manage their finances effectively. The budget categories in EveryDollar are designed to help users allocate their income into different areas of expense, ensuring that they are in control of their financial situation. To get started, it is essential to understand the importance of categorizing expenses. Categorizing expenses helps to identify areas where money is being spent, making it easier to make adjustments and stay within budget. EveryDollar budget categories are predefined, making it easy for users to get started with their budgeting journey. The first step is to assign income to the appropriate budget categories. This includes income from salaries, investments, and any other sources of revenue. Next, users need to allocate their income into the different budget categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Each budget category has its own set of subcategories, allowing users to further break down their expenses. For example, the housing category may include subcategories such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and maintenance. This level of detail helps users to understand exactly where their money is going and make informed decisions about their spending. Using EveryDollar budget categories has several benefits. It helps users to prioritize their spending, ensuring that essential expenses such as housing and utilities are covered before allocating money to discretionary expenses like entertainment. It also helps to identify areas of waste, allowing users to make adjustments and reduce unnecessary expenses. Another benefit of using EveryDollar budget categories is that it helps users to set realistic financial goals. By understanding where their money is going, users can set achievable goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. The budget categories also help users to track their progress, making it easier to stay motivated and focused on their financial goals. Best practices for using EveryDollar budget categories include regularly reviewing and updating the budget to ensure that it remains accurate and relevant. Users should also be realistic about their income and expenses, avoiding the temptation to underestimate expenses or overestimate income. In conclusion, using EveryDollar budget categories is an effective way to manage finances and achieve financial stability. By categorizing expenses, allocating income, and setting realistic financial goals, users can take control of their financial situation and make progress towards their goals. Remember to regularly review and update the budget, and be realistic about income and expenses to get the most out of EveryDollar budget categories.